Hey, Tim's workshop here. Hey, I'm gonna make a video here on changing out a hot water heater on a RV, and I'll turn the camera around and explain what I did and how to do it, and then I'm going to make a schematic separate video on how to do the wiring on this. I already shot a video on this, and it was just too confusing, and I went, well, I'm going to break it down into two separate videos and make it as simple as possible for you guys to understand if you're interested in replacing a hot water heater on your RV. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around. All right, so this is the cover here. All right, and you can see here these clips. You can take this cover off so it's out of your way. This is the brand new Hotwater hot water heater that I put in. It's over a year ago, a couple years ago. I replaced this. This is actually a larger size as far as a tank goes than what I had, and it also has this exchanger on it, which the other one didn't. It just had gas and electric on my old one, but so it was more expensive to get this unit, but it was all they had at the time down at Camping World, and I had to have it because we were going on a trip, and I checked everywhere else around the area, and it's the best I could come up with at the time. So it's actually a lot better unit than I had, so it's an upgrade. And it was kind of a challenge to get in there because it's a little bigger tank. It's a 6-gallon tank on this one. So let me get down here a little bit closer to it. Okay, so let's see, capacity 6-gallon. Okay, and by Atwood. Okay, this is the board. Some people have problems with boards now and then. They'll this is your igniter for your gas, and sometimes if the board isn't working properly, it will not ignite. Okay, and this is your pressure relief valve. Okay, for your water in your tank. Always release the pressure on it before you take the drain plug out. You take the drain plug out, you know, when you're storing it in the winter, and then and so forth. This is the gas line that's coming in, and it goes in through a grommet inside the unit. So when I took the old to get the old hot water heater out of here, I had to take all the screws out, take the gas line apart, and push it into the unit, and then I went inside and disconnected the wires and the city water lines going to the hot water tank on the inside. So I'm going to go inside and show you that part of it, and then when it gets to the wiring details, I'll make a separate video for that. So this is the in-house. This is where you turn the hot water heater on. Okay, that's for the power. You gotta have power to kick the thing on for electric and for DC power, because off the board. You got to wire the board that I'm gonna switches down below for DC AC, but you got to have power, AC power going to it to kick it off. Okay, so this is the hot water heater. These are the lines coming in from your city water that go into the tank down here, and there's a valve here, and there's a valve up here. So this is your in and this is your out. But you won't get water going into the tank to fill it completely up unless you have the what they call the bypass valve on, or one way or the other, right? Otherwise you'll put enough water in it and the water will heat up, but it won't come out your faucet hot. You'll just get cold water, and the reason is because it's not coming through the top because the water level hasn't filled up all the way. So you got to change this bypass valve for the tank to completely get full. And in the winter, you hit the bypass, of course, you can get antifreeze through your lines, but you don't want to fill the hot water tank completely full of antifreeze. No, no, you just want to have just enough in it, and then you want to shut it off and then fill the rest of your lines and run your antifreeze through all your faucets and your shower and all that. So I have a video on that showing how to do that. This is your power, AC power, and to your what do they call it, thermostat, coil. There's a name for it. Anyway, that's where it goes in your tank and it heats your tank. So you got to have your power hooked up to that, but you also have to have the power going to your switch. This is your AC power on, and this is your gas on. So I have it on the AC power right now. I'm going to switch that off, though. I don't need it on, without water in there. So, but I had the upper power switch off up above, so cobwebs. I need to clean it out. Oh, another thing too. Use dryer deals. Little snuggles, or whatever you call them. You put these in here and it keeps the mice and the rats out of there. Yep, works good. Oh, when you put this hot water tank in, you can't get it in with this foam on, right? So I took the foam off, right, and then to get it in, the top piece fit in, but the bottom I had to cut it in several places to get it so I could get it in here. And so I got it around the hot water tank as best I could, and then I used like Gorilla liquid nail. I used liquid nail on this. It works pretty good as far as putting that all together and insulating this tank. The tank was a little larger than the old one, so yeah, it was a very snug fit. And then to get the this foam on there, yeah, there's no way I could have got it on the bottom, so I had to cut it off the bottom. I did put a little thin sheet of fiberglass, insulation. I just sat that on the bottom just so there was something between the tank and the new board that I put in. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. Yeah, it works good. The DC side, all I have to do is turn on the AC up above, and then that runs, I can run my gas and I can run my electric just by having the AC power on. Okay, so whichever you prefer to run, and it works. I usually run the AC on, all the time. Gas, propane, I would only run it if, say, like we were at a park that didn't have power running and I had to have hot water. That's the only reason. So all the time, most of the time, I just run AC power. Okay, so that's the end of this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and leave comments. Thanks.